Welcome to Learning Spring with Spring Boot. Spring Boot is the latest and the best framework in the market for developing Java applications in the internet and enterprise space. Most of the top IT MNCs are now migrating to Spring Boot from other frameworks. Hi, my name is Samarth Narula. I'm a software engineer and a microservice architect. In this course, we are going to leverage the power of Spring Boot framework for rapid application development, and we are going to design a parking lot application. We are also going to learn some of the best techniques of reducing boilerplate code by using Lombok framework. We are also going to create and understand Swagger API and H2 database. These techniques will help the developer to rapidly create a robust Java-based application. After learning from this course, I hope that you will come to understand why Spring Boot is the best and the most preferred framework in the industry.